All right, so today we're using the pressure washer, and I've learned how to use it as we're using it. Step one, get a teenager. This thing works really good. Alright, the way this thing needs to run is you got to make sure it's got fuel in it and oil. It's got a fuel gauge on the side here. Up is off, turn sideways is on. You have an on switch. This is your throttle. You pull it out, crank it up, leave that throttle pulled out as you're using it. You push it back in when you're done. These containers in the back need to be full with some kind of cleaner. I've used some Simple Green. It's real easy to use. It's real easy to mix. You can buy the concentrated stuff in the big jug. It's only like $5 for a 2-liter jug. And each cup of Simple Green you mix with 8 cups of water. So I mix 2 cups of Simple Green and 16 cups of water. I mix it in this little bucket thing, and then I put them in both containers. It uses both containers as you go. It works really, really good. These little nozzles on top are just that, they're nozzles. It had a green one on it already. This is the general purpose one. This one is actually this one. We're using the red one on it because the red one works better for what we're doing. And it has a simple disconnect, a lot like a pneumatic disconnect has, like a quick disconnect. You just pull it and snap it, and that's it. That's all you got to do. It works really, really good. All right, let's go through this real quick. In order to get this thing to run, this right here is your fuel petcock. On top it says off. You don't want it turned this way because that's off. You want to store it off. Here's your on switch, turn that on. This is your throttle, pull it out, and we're going to pull this to crank it.